My family is a very religious family. They do a lot of pujas and religious rituals. My father one day called me. He gave me 600 or 700 rupees and said, go to Allahabad and where the Ganga meets Jamuna, the Triveni Sangama, and get holy water of Ganga. Get 50 barrels of Ganga water from Allahabad to Chennai. We were living in Chennai then. At that point of time, I had never been north of Visakhapatnam. Forget anywhere in north of India. But my father said I took the money and booked a ticket and got on the train, second class compartment. I think it was a 36 hour or 40 hour journey. I didn't know how to do it, but I just got on the train. As we were traveling, there was a gentleman sitting there, and I remember he was telling the people about how Pandit Nehruji's socialistic approach was not right for the country. Something he was telling. After some time, he noticed me and he asked me, "Who are you? What are you doing? Where are you going?" So I said, "I am going to Allahabad to bring Ganga Jal, 50 barrels of Ganga Jal." So he said, "Kyun?" I said, "My family is a religious family. My brother is doing some kind of religious ritual. My father told me, so I am going." हाँ बेटा, तू गंगा माँ जी को लेने के लिए जा रहे हो? Yes. I said, "Yes, sir." "Okay, fine. How do you plan to get it?" I said, "I don't know." "Do you know anyone in Allahabad?" I said, "I don't know." "So how are you going to get it?" I said, "I don't know." My father said, "I'm going." So he took a pen and paper. He wrote a letter to his son who lives in Allahabad. He said, "Go there, give this letter to my son. He will help you." So I took the letter, went to Allahabad, went to his son's house. He read the letter and said, "Okay, my father says I need to help you. What help do you need?" I said, "I need to take Ganga water to Chennai." So I said, "Why?" I told again the whole story. He said, "Okay." And he made some phone calls. Some blow blast industry who gave me the barrels. I took the barrels. Everywhere they're asking me, "What are you going to do with it?" I was telling the same story, and everywhere the same sentence is, "हाँ भाई, तू गंगा माँ जी को लेने के लिए आया हो?" Yes, sir. That was my standard question. So I went there. I took the barrels in the early morning, 5 o'clock. We went to the Ganga, the ghats of Ganga, Triveni Sangama, and they were about to take the water from the Ganga water. I said, "No, I have to go to the center of the river," because my father said you have to take the water from the confluence, from the Sangam. Okay, they put me on a boat. We went there. We took the water. We came back, and then we went to the train station, and the railway porters came and said, "What is this?" Same story again. Ganga Maa ji ko लेके आया हूँ, लेने के लिए आया हूँ. So at the time I had just finished all my money. 500, 600 rupees was gone. I just had 20 rupees, I think. The porter said, "Okay, you need that money to go back to eat something. You get in. We will put the barrels in the goods wagon." So they put it. I came back, and finally we did it. I brought the water to Ganga Jal to my home. But the point is, I never knew anyone. I don't know who the gentleman was. The son in Allahabad gave me food, gave me shelter. The blow past industry man gave me this thing. The auto man helped with the barrels. The railway porters helped me put the water into the train. What I realized subconsciously at that time I didn't realize, but what I realize now is that if you are sincere in your effort, if you are relentless in your pursuit, in this country, in this beautiful country, you will find people who will help you take the Ganga water from Prayag to Chennai.